Hey guys, Kyle Bradshaw here, and today my box from Rokform arrived. Rokform is a revolutionary phone mount company. They make mounts for motorcycles, bicycles, for your car, for anything. It's a rock solid mount that is amazing. So come on and look as I unbox and show you the features and benefits.
All right, here it is, our box from Rokform. This is an amazing setup here. So they make these really trick units that lock onto your handlebars or your vent clip, and part of it is a magnet, and the other part is actually a click lock. Super cool. So here we have this is going to be neat. I think this is a super cool unit. This one here, your phone would sit on it and then lock into place. So whether you want to be vertical or horizontal, you can do either way. But it clicks into place, super rock solid mount. Now, this can double stick tape to anything. So if you wanted to put this on a dashboard or anywhere, that's what this is. So first piece, next piece, this is, oh cool, bicycle mount. So this goes on your bicycle handlebar. We'll take a look at that in a minute. This is a pamphlet that shows all their goodies. This is going to be, oh, it's already open. Interesting. This is going to be the standard iPhone 8 case. This should be the 8 Plus or 7 Plus, 8 Plus case. This is the rugged version, is what we got. Two different magnets, one for the truck, one for the wife's car. And this guy here is going to be their universal mount. This is the motorcycle mount. So this is going to go around the motorcycle handlebar. It's going to clip in. So this has two features. I believe there's a magnet here, and then this is the actual piece like this. So you would lock it into place, and then the magnet holds on one side, and this lock holds on the other side to kind of create you like double protection. So in every box, we have a phone case and a vent mount. So phone case and vent mount. Let's go and get it out of here. Some pretty sturdy packaging. Come on. Oh, there it is. Cool. So here it goes. Regular case mount instructions. They kind of talk about what to do. You're going to have the vent mount. You're going to have the sticky magnet, and then the phone itself. So this is the piece I was talking to you about. So this is going to mount on your dash somewhere. This piece, it just goes click and locks into place. So whether you want your phone to be vertical or if you want it horizontal, find it, sit down, and then lock into place. Super neat. So that's what that, obviously that piece is separate. Sorry, confusing here. That doesn't come with it. What you get is the case itself and the vent magnet. That's what you get inside the package if you order just the phone case. So then this magnet here separates like so, slips onto your vent, and then your phone, boom, ready to go. Boom, ready to go. Super cool. So anyway, the magnet's really convenient for inside the car. Obviously, power sport application or on a mountain bike, you're going to want something a little bit more sturdy than that. So that's why all these other mounts here exist. These are super, super strong magnets. So here's the Rokform standard magnet. Let's go and pull it out here. All right, come on, guy. Get out of there. All right, this is going to be the standard magnet. Everything has 3M double stick tape. 3M is a great quality tape. Super, super rugged, which is great. So make sure you rub this on the back to kind of get it hot. Heat activate that sticky, and then stick it to whatever you want to stick it to. Now these should come with, they do, surface wipes, some electrical pad, or it's not electrical, pardon me, alcohol pad. So you're going to wipe the surface, let it dry, warm up the sticky, peel it, stick it, and then this will allow you to have a magnet to stick your phone to basically any hard surface. Pretty neat. So like I said, I got two of these, one for my truck, one for the wife's car. Should be pretty neat. Go ahead and close that back up again. you can see, the magnets love to stick to each other. All right, so phone cases are going to be the same. One's for a standard 8 and the other's for an 8 plus. So I got this because I'm kind of want to get creative. I like the locking mechanism. I wanted something that stood off a little bit, and this I'm thinking I could mount to a RAM mount that would allow me to be able to have this on a movable piece up on the motorcycle. The magnet obviously is a little bit dangerous on the motorcycle because it could vibrate off, but this will give me a twist and a lock. I'm just going to test it. It was like $9. So I was like, man, I just want to try it, see what it does, and see if I can make a configuration work. I mean, this is an amazing piece right here, but the problem I have with this is it's fixed mount. Once it's there, it's fixed, and I can't move it. I really want to be able to adjust the angle of the phone. So, for example, doing vlogging, I want to be able to point the phone towards me, or if something's happening over there, I want to be able to twist this up and be able to focus on whatever I want to be recording. So this particular mount doesn't allow that. So that's why I want to try to do something different. If that works, I'll definitely share it with you. If it doesn't work, you'll probably never hear about it again. All right, so this guy here, as you can see, motorcycle handlebar mount. There we go. How do we get in here? There we go. Oh, this is cool. So it shows you on the inside, like you have adjustment up and down by just moving this around the bar, and then adjustment up and down through that one nut. Kind of interesting. Goes around the handlebar, sits on there. Whoa. This is a little bit more involved than I thought. Let's take a look at what we got here. So you have an Allen key. Allen key is going to go to both of these, both the around the handlebar and then this guy. Wow, it's kind of neat. So you can adjust here, but it's not quick adjust. Obviously, you're going to set it and forget it with that Allen key. You can go to kind of any angle that you want. This obviously goes around the bar, so you could adjust that any angle you want as well. Pretty neat. And then these are the different diameters. So say you had a different size bar, 7/8, 1 inch, probably 1.5, 1 1/8. I'll have to dig in and find that out. Anyway, that's cool. So we'll have to go play with that. So for the time being, that shows that. In another video, I'll show you how each of these is installed and how I use them in their respective locations. But for now, we're just kind of going through the unboxing. Let's see, this is the bicycle mount. What do we have here? So inside the bicycle mount, let's see, we have a rubber strip. We've got a tether. So this is going to wrap around your bar. Has some 3M tape. Makes a sticky spot so it doesn't rotate, it looks like. Nice bag. All right. And then this here is going to be the bicycle mount. So you're going to set this over your handlebar, obviously around this tape so it has a good fit. Pull this, lock it into place. Then your phone mount. Your phone's going to come up here. It wants to go that way. There we go. And click into place. Now this one has a lock on the side. So, oh, this is neat. So if that's in a lock position, this can't come off. You have to actually pull down on this lever right here in order to allow it to release. I wonder if I can rig that one instead. Pretty neat. Allows you to pull that, twist that. Kind of neat. That's it, the bicycle mount. So, like I said, we'll have another video here shortly that will show you how each of these mounts up and how the phone sits in it and kind of how it works. I did want to double check on this one real quick. If there was indeed a magnet, there is. Check it out. So that magnet is what helps this one lock into place. So this one, if you're going, that's funny. It's a little bit hard to, not hard, but, oh wow, that's tight. So once that locks into place, you have the magnet that's pulling against the phone case here as well as being locked in. I gotta say, that's a pretty good lock. That's ingenious. So just gonna kind of angle it up, line those up, and pull it into place. That's tight. Nice work, guys. Cool. Yeah. So join us in our future video where we're going to take a look at how each of these mount. But this is the Rokform setup. Like I said, when you order the phone case, you get the vent mount with it, which is kind of cool. Slide onto the vent. Allows you just to put your phone up and start your car. Really neat. And then all the other accessories you can get. There's so many more accessories. I just wanted to get a couple that I thought might work for my application, for the motorcycles and the bicycle. And like I said, this guy here was like $9. I think the magnets were 10 or 12. I don't remember, but pretty inexpensive way to get one case to mount in so many different ways or applications by just purchasing a new mount, leaving that on the vehicle, and being done with it. And there it is, the unboxing of the Rokform brand of phone case. It's more than a case. It's a whole system of mounting your phone or personal device onto your vehicle.
This is the vent mount that comes with the case. Super convenient. Magnet on the back, magnet on this guy. Super secure connection for inside your vehicle. Now, if you're on a motorcycle or a bicycle or other application, there's lots of other different accessories that Rokfrom has on their website. Literally like 30 different mounting options. So take a look at Rokfrom's website, take a look at all the mounting options available, choose the one that's best for you. But as far as an out-of-the-box magnet type situation, Rokfrom looks like they're doing an amazing job. I'm going to put it to the test, and I'll be back to you with how it works.